2 medium potatoes. I cut the potatoes about 1 centimeter thick. You can also cut it on the board, but I like to chop it in my hand. Glad to see you on my channel. I put the potatoes I chopped in the pot. Add salt to the potatoes. Add water to the potatoes and boil well. Be careful in the boiling part. It is enough to boil for 4–5 minutes after boiling. I check with the fork. It will not be too boiled. That's enough. 2 eggs. Add a little salt to the eggs. Beat the eggs well. My name is Tutba. I live in Turkey. Where are you from? 1½ tablespoons of flour. Breadcrumbs. I use red beet breadcrumbs. Cover the potatoes with flour first. Then cover with the egg. Have you seen my channel for the first time? Cover everything nicely with breadcrumbs. Thank you very much for your comments, likes and channel subscription. It must be this way. It is very simple and fun to make. You will never need to fry potatoes. This way it is both very healthy and much more delicious. Your kids will love to eat it. It will be crispy on the outside and soft potatoes on the inside. Bake in a 200-degree oven for 20–25 minutes. Two tablespoons of yogurt. Mix the yogurt well. Grate 1 clove of garlic. A little dry mint is very good. Our sauce is ready. Our delicious crispy potatoes are out of the oven. Please try it and write to me in the comments. My favorite time is to taste. Crispy outside, soft potatoes inside. Do you think you need to fry the potatoes? Hope to see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.